families should know that we should do it at our own pace. A pleasant afternoon to everyone, especially to our shining, beautiful, and talented MAPI teacher, Ma'am Dana. I am Maria Isabel Meade Navarra, the reporter of Group 4. Today, we will try to expand your understanding about family expectations because I know that some of us here want to talk about it. First of all, family expectations is the pressure that parents and other family members expect from us, both in academics and behavior. Second, a lot of families expect a lot of things from their children, like winning competitions, academic success, and more. This causes pressure and may cause anxiety. Third, wala lang ako na-add nung wala na tayo. Third, family pressure is not just from family, but also from us. We pressure ourselves to please them and not fight for ourselves. Our capabilities is not the same as the other person. Let's reach for our dreams, but in our own pace. Let us just do it our best and let God do the rest. Hopefully, our parents or our family members will realize that they shouldn't expect a lot or something high from us, and also know our limits. Thank you.